Hello.
Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 2.
Tempo. That's Hannah.
And this is Brian.
Today, we reviewed Charleston swing outs. Y'all got them a lot better than you think. Go ahead and review that video from last week and keep crushing it. And then, new stuff, we learned a classic step called jig kicks. We started with a little bit of solo footwork. Let's turn this way. And it was just a little rock step. Hey, hey. We said you can do a heel. Hey, boom, hey. Or more of a kick. Ha, boom, ha, boom, ba, hey, hey. The important thing was our going side to side, not twisty, twisty. Yeah, and then we partnered it up. We're here. I get in front. Boom. There's a little bit of rotation. Hey, hey, and to get out of it, drop hands, hit a Charleston basic. Boom, hey, hey, and that's what we did.